This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ty Crespi. Beautiful Florida-style pool home with solar heating, located on the lake. New metal roof December 2021 with 2 solar attic fans. The floor plan is well designed with formal living room, large family room with wood-burning fireplace. Granite kitchen with large plate window to soak in the views of the pool and lake. Split bedroom floor plan, inside utility room. The primary suite is very large, and the bathroom was recently remodeled with a huge walk-in shower with a natural stone floor, large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. New inside AC 2025, guest bathroom tub just resurfaced. Partial accordion hurricane shutters. Guest bedroom Murphy bed conveys with the home. Upgraded landscaping throughout, lots of fruit trees. Enjoy quiet evenings or morning coffee on the front porch. This central location in minutes to anywhere in Melbourne and the Beaches. For more information, review the details below.